10 interesting facts about particulate matter. 1. What exactly is particulate matter? Particulate matter is a complex mixture of solid particles and liquid droplets, suspended in the air. Think of it as a cocktail of pollutants. It's categorized by size, with PM10 being particles, 10 micrometers or less in diameter, and PM2.5 being the really tiny, more dangerous ones at 2.5 micrometers or less. PM2.5 can get deep into your lungs, even your bloodstream. 2. Where does PM come from? PM originates from both human activities and natural sources. We contribute through burning fossil fuels in vehicles, power plants and factories, construction sites, industrial processes, and even burning waste. Add to the problem. Interestingly, natural sources like dust storms, volcanic eruptions, and wildfires also play a role. Ever heard of Asian dust or the yellow dust storms? That's a perfect example of naturally occurring PM traveling thousands of miles. 3. The nasty ingredients of PM. Particulate matter isn't just one thing, it's a complex mixture. It contains carbon-based components like organic and elemental carbon, various ions such as sulfates, nitrates, and ammonium, plus mineral components, and even heavy metals. The composition of PM2.5 is frequently dominated by sulfates, nitrates, and organic carbon, making it a particularly potent brew. 4. PM's sneaky health effects. Inhaling PM can have a wide range of negative impacts on your health. It affects your respiratory system, your cardiovascular system, and even your brain. Regarding breathing issues, it can cause or worsen bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia, and even lung cancer. Long-term exposure increases the risk of developing chronic lung diseases. Furthermore, it elevates the risk of heart attacks, strokes, irregular heartbeats, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Emerging research even links PM to cognitive decline, dementia, and increased risk of Parkinson's disease. Pregnant women are especially vulnerable, with increased risks of premature birth and low birth weight babies. Oh, and it can irritate your eyes too. 5. Action plans based on PM levels. When PM levels rise, it's time to take precautions. This means limiting outdoor activities, wearing a mask, and reducing strenuous exercise outside. When concentrations are high, stay indoors as much as possible and use a certified mask, like an N95 or KF94. Avoid heavily polluted areas such as roadsides and construction zones. After being outside, wash thoroughly and consume water and vitamin E. See rich fruits and vegetables. Inside, ventilate your space, clean with water, and use air purifiers. However, if outdoor PM levels are bad or worse, minimize ventilation, but do ventilate briefly. If indoor air is polluted, then clean with waters. 6. Decoding PM masks. When buying a PM mask, look for the KF rating, which is certified by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. KF80 masks block at least 80% of particles with an average size of 0.6 micrometers, making them good for blocking yellow dust. KF94 and KF99 masks block 94% or 99% of particles with an average size of 0.4 micrometers, offering even greater protection. Choose a mask appropriate for your breathing needs and the PM levels. Ensure the mask fits snugly on your face. And remember, these masks are generally not washable or reusable. 7. PM's environmental impact. PM isn't just a health hazard, it's also harmful to the environment. It causes acid rain, soil and water pollution, and inhibits plant growth. Iron and nitrogen in PM can lead to excessive growth of phytoplankton, disrupting marine ecosystems. It can also reduce sunlight by reflecting solar radiation and can hinder coral photosynthesis. 8. PM in South Korea. South Korea still faces high PM concentrations compared to other major cities in OECD countries. The country's PM problem is influenced by both domestic sources and transboundary pollution, especially from China. Nice indoor PM sources. Even indoors, PM can be generated from cooking, heating, and other activities. Cooking in particular can produce significant amounts of PM. 10. PM myths busted. Let's debunk some common PM myths. Eating foods like pork belly does not help with PM removal. Also, while it might seem like PM is worse now than in the past, long-term data actually shows that PM concentrations have been steadily improving in recent years. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks!